Okay, let's move on to a new video. In our product menu, we are going to create offers. We have the subcategory at the bottom. We click on it and the offers screen appears. We expand this list, which shows us flash offers, summer offers, Halloween offers, Christmas offers, and weekly offers. Let's choose flash deals for our example. Let's search for the Adidas product. Let's go with Adidas Woman. We'll expand the specifications for this offer, where we have the discount type, which can be a percentage or a fixed amount. For our example, we'll use a fixed amount. Start date, let's set it for February 20th, and it will end on February 24. Discount value, $10. Minimum purchase amount, 1 pair of shoes. Maximum amount, 3 pairs of shoes. Maximum discount amount, $30. Status, it can be active, inactive, in the case that we already have this type of offer, or programmed, when the date to be executed is after the date of creation. For the example, active. After that, we proceed to save, and so we can start creating a variety of offers based on all the products that we have. And, as I have mentioned, it can be week to week, and we can also create offers based on the season, the time of year, or the type of product. And as I mentioned, it can be active, inactive if we no longer have this type of offer, or scheduled when the execution date is after the creation date. For the example, active. Then summer holidays, Halloween, Christmas, as you select in this type of offer. Thank you very much. That's all.